here.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn about addition. Addition means putting things together. For addition there is a sign called plus, and while adding the number what we get the result is shown by equal to sign. I will show you some objects through which we can learn about addition. This is the first method. The two groups are there of the objects. These are 3 sparkles and these are 4 sparkles. Adding these 3 sparkles to this 4, we will get the result 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total sparkles we are having is 7. Now I will show you the another object, sketch pens. These are 3 sketch pens and then I will be adding more 5 sketch pens to it. So the total will be 8 sketch pens. Total will be 8 sketch pens. Now I will show the second method on the board. This is the second method. 2 plus 3 is equal to. We are using the plus sign here by combining the two numbers and the result will be getting by equal to sign. We can draw balls or lines also. 1, 2 ball, 1, 2 and 3 balls. So total number of balls we are having is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the sum is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. One more method I will be telling you is like 3 plus 6. I will be showing you with fingers. First is 3. 3 fingers and 6 more fingers. 3 fingers and 6 more fingers. Then total will be 9 fingers. How many fingers are open? 9 fingers. So the result will be 9. These are the basic sums of addition. Hope you will be doing at home and practice this nicely. Thank you.
Hello kids, good morning. Hope you all are good. So today we are going to learn about seasons. Season changes throughout the year because of the way the earth moves around the sun. सीजन क्या है? मौसम. मौसम कब बदलता है? जब धरती सूरज के इर्द गिर्द घूमती है तब मौसम बदलता है. Now there are 5 seasons: summer, monsoon, winter, autumn, spring. Now tell me which season is going on? Winter. In winter season weather is very cold. We wear woolen clothes like jacket, sweaters, cap, socks to protect our body from cold, and we drink hot drinks like coffee and soup. Now next is spring season. In spring season leaves grow on trees and flower blooms. Spring season में flowers बहुत happy होते हैं and weather is not very hot and not very cold. It is very pleasant. Next is summer season. Summer season. It is very hot. Sun is very brighter. We wear cotton clothes and we should eat fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, bananas, and we should drink plenty of water. Next is monsoon, which is also called rainy season. In monsoon, sky is very cloudy and it's rain heavily. Even we can see rainbow in monsoon season. We use umbrellas, gumboots and raincoats to protect our body from rain. And after that, autumn. In autumn, trees and flowers shed their leaves and petals. Okay, hope you have understood concept of season. Thank you.
Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you all? Hope you are doing fine. Today we will learn making pairs. Now let us discuss what is making pairs. Okay, whenever we take the name together. Okay, now I'll explain you with the few of the examples. Okay, now this is duster and this is chalk. The name which we take together, that is making pairs. I'll show you a few of the more examples. This is pen and this is paper. This is cup and this is saucer. This is toothbrush and this is toothpaste. This is thread and this is needle. This is lock and this is key. This is fork and this is spoon. This is chair and this is table. This is bat and this is ball. Hope you all enjoyed. Okay then, bye-bye. Take care. Hello, my lovely kids. Good morning. How are you all? Hope you are doing fine. Today we will learn one maths concept which is length. Okay, long, longer and longest. Okay, now I'll explain you with few of the examples. Okay, now this arrow is long one, this arrow is the longer one and this arrow is the longest one, right? Now, these three are pencils. This pencil is long one, this pencil is the longer one, and this pencil is the longest one, right? This is the laces, right? This lace is the long one, this lace is the longer one, and this lace is the longest one. Okay, now I'll take one example which will help you make understand very easily. Okay. This is the socks, right? This socks is long one, right? This socks is the longer one, right? And this socks is the longest one. Okay then, hope you all enjoyed. Bye-bye. Take care.
Dear children, I hope you all are fine and doing your studies every day. Today we are going to learn about transport. Transport is the medium to travel from one place to another. We use different types of transport to reach faster and it makes our life easier, right? Transport can be divided into many groups like land transport, water transport and air transport. Now let's see land transport. Land transport means to travel by road. When we go out, we can see many vehicles on road, right? Just as car. Okay, have you seen a truck? And a train. Train is also a means of land transport. Apart from that, ambulance, scooter and bus. This all are land transport, right? Now let's learn about water transport. Water transport means to travel by water. That includes boat, steamer, ship and submarine. Now see air transport. Air transport means to travel by air. That is the fastest means of transport. That includes helicopter, aeroplane, hot air balloon and rocket. These all vehicles are included in transport, right? Now, transport can be divided into public transport and private transport. When we own a bike, bicycle, a car or a motorcycle and we travel from that, that is the private transport. We don't have to pay for that. And when we go out when we travel by train or a bus, we have to buy a ticket, right? That is the public transport. We all can use that transport. Okay, thanks.
Hello kids, good morning all. आज हम हिंदी में 2 वर्णों वाले शब्द सीखेंगे। 2 लेटर्स मिला के जो एक वर्ड बनता है वो सीखेंगे आज हम हिंदी में। आगे हमने अ टू अह स्वर और क टू ग व्यंजन सीखेंगे। आज हम उनको मिला के एक वर्ड बनाना सीखेंगे। 2 वर्णों वाले शब्द ध और न जब मिलाएंगे तो क्या बनेगा? धन। च और ल जब मिलाएंगे तो क्या बनेगा? चल। वैसे ही और एग्जाम्पल्स हैं घ र, घर, ज ग, जग, ट ब, टब, य ज्ञ, यज्ञ। ऐसे भी और भी आप बहुत सारे वर्ड्स बना सकते हो फ्लैश कार्ड बना के। तो आप घर पे ये वर्ण से शब्द बनाने का ट्राई करना। थैंक यू।
Hello, my lovely babies. It's 25th December and we are going to celebrate Christmas and we are going to wish you a New Year. So sing along with me. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Happy New Year to all of you. Enjoy. Hello, my lovely babies. So, are you happy to see me today? Yes, this is December month and December month comes with Santa and Christmas celebration. So Santa is going to come to your house, but how does he comes? Do you want to sing that song? Yes, then sing along with me. Dashing through the snow on one horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what a fun it is to be a sledging song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what a fun it is to ride on one horse open sledge. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what a fun it is to ride on one horse open sledge. Yes, so Santa Claus comes on a sledge to your house over the snow. So sing this poem and remember, have fun.
Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. आज हम हिंदी में गिनती सीखेंगे। जैसे इंग्लिश में 1 2 3 4 होता है ना, वैसे हिंदी में 1 2 3 4 ऐसे होता है। ओके, चलो ये हिंदी में 1, that is 1, फिर 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, इंग्लिश में 4, 5, 5, 6, इंग्लिश में 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9 and 10, that is 10। चलो हिंदी में एक बार फिर रिवाइज करेंगे। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। Thank you.
Hello, my little angels. Today we are going to learn a rhyme about community helpers. Community helpers, they are the people who help us in day-to-day life. Like milkman who brings us milk. Like sweepers who cleans our house, and also they take all the waste from our house. Fine. And then policeman, carpenter, cobbler, there are so many community helpers. But today we are going to learn a rhyme about some community helpers. So sing along with me. Yes, who is she? Teacher. Teacher, teacher, what do you do? Teacher, teacher, what do you do? I teach reading, writing too. I teach reading, writing too. Doctor, doctor, what do you do? Doctor, doctor, what do you do? I help when you are sick with cold and flu. I help when you are sick with cold and flu. Firefighter, firefighter, what do you do? Firefighter, firefighter, what do you do? I help fight fire that might hurt you. I help fight fire that might hurt you. Officer, officer, what do you do? Officer, officer, what do you do? I help stay safe in all that you do. I help you stay safe in all that you do. So these are few community helpers in which we have done the rhymes. Bye-bye.